Hey, it's Caleb. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to your database design series. In the previous video, we talked about a one-to-one relationship. That is one of the three kinds of relationships that we can have. The other one is one-to-many. What that means is that one entity can have a relationship with multiple other entities, but a specific entity can only be related back to one other entity. I know that sounds a little confusing when we're talking about entities and all this conceptual, high-level thinking. But think of it like comment on a website. When you go onto YouTube or whatever and you go below, you can leave a comment on my videos. That comment is only owned by you. It has your name. That is a one-to-many relationship. The reason for that is you can make many comments, but an individual comment is only owned by one person. So to draw that out, you have a user and we have multiple comments. You can see that the user is able to make multiple comments, but each individual comment, like this one for example, is only owned by one user. That is a one-to-many relationship, or 1:many. Can you see that? Yeah, I think you can. So this is how a one-to-many relationship works. If you want to think again of like the marriage thing, think of a king. We'll just name him King Sam. And Sam demands to have multiple wives, and he's super controlling of his wives. So Sam has multiple wives, right? Sorry, I'm just kind of drying off my chalkboard here. We have Sam the King over here. Give him a crown. Give him a big smile. And he is just royal and famous among the lands. And he's really selfish with his women. He demands to have 500 wives. Or however many wives he desires. So we have all of his wives over here. So he has these two wives, and then he has this wife over here. She's not so good looking. But anyways, he is married to these three wives. Although he's very protective and very selfish with his women. And he does not want these wives to marry other men. They're strictly married to the king. So the king can marry multiple women, but each woman can only marry one person. Whoops, I kind of already have the line drawn. So they can only marry one person. They're not able to go marry another guy. That would be, oh no way, that ain't gonna happen. Off with their heads! See what I'm saying? It's not gonna work. So that is a one-to-many relationship. That's all I have to say about one-to-many relationships. Next video we'll be talking about many-to-many. See you around.